Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on PNC Bank's top checking accounts for students and young adults. Here are PNC's top checking accounts for students and young adults. PNC Virtual Wallet Student. This account is specifically for students. It has no monthly service fee for 6 years and no minimum balance requirement. Virtual Wallet Student combines 3 accounts in one: a spend account for everyday purchases, a reserve account for short-term savings, and a growth account for long-term savings. The reserve and growth accounts earn interest. The account also includes features like low cash mode to help avoid overdrafts and a courtesy refund on your first overdraft fee. PNC Virtual Wallet. For young adults who are no longer students, the standard virtual wallet offers similar features. It also includes the spend, reserve, and growth accounts. To avoid the monthly service fee, you need to meet certain requirements, like having a minimum average monthly balance or making a certain amount in qualifying direct deposits. PNC Foundation Checking. This is a straightforward checking account with no overdraft fees. It's a great option if you want to avoid surprise charges. It has a $5 monthly service fee, but this can be waived for account holders age 62 or older. This account is certified by BankOn as a low-cost, low-fee option. It includes essential features like online and mobile banking, Zelle, and access to a large network of ATMs. With that said, thanks for watching.